And so everyone, this concludes my lecture about how you too can mummify your grandparents, sell their bodies to naive anthropologists, and still collect their monthly pension every month. Well, that's all for this week. Most of you can enjoy the weekend. But you, Kimitaka Tempe, because you failed the midterm exam, you must write a 300-page report on the ornate toilet brushes of the Chaldean Empire in Klingon by Monday morning.
Wasetsuna really gives us a lot of homework. Yeah. Let's eat lunch first, okay? Yeah. What are you eating?
Onigiri rice bowl. It's so convenient to carry. And it's great that I can eat it easily. The person who came up with the onigiri really great.
What was the origin of the rice bowl? I want to know it too. Let's look it up.
The rice ball, which is said to be the oldest one, was eaten in the Yayoi period. Evidence of this onigiri was discovered among remains from the latter half of the Yayoi period, called the Chanobatake remains, that were found in Sugitani town of Ishikawa Prefecture in northern Japan.
Wow, people have had them for such a long time. Show me the book. Does it even tell us how to make them?
We do it a team of 2 people.
First, we wash our hands well.
We cleanse our mouths with a rice cooker full of Japanese sake.
Then we pick up some steaming rice from a bowl.
We grasp it and squeeze it tight.
And we purify the seaweed by fire.
Finally, we roll it up in the seaweed. We cut right and left through the air with a Japanese saw.
Zash! Zash! Thrash! Thrash! Zash! Zash! Shaki! Check it out! This is an onigiri rice ball!
There are various ways of wrapping it up in the seaweed too.
House. House style. Around the world. Around the world. All black. All black. Plain. Plain.
I've learned a lot. No. Everyone, did you understand how to make rice balls? After you watch this video, you should try making them for yourself. Yeah!